Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope all you will be okay. So today I am going towards university. So I think that I will make a vlog for you. And there is a little park I am going to show you. So it's near to Tomsk State University. You can view. It is very beautiful scene right now in spring, but I also have a video on this during the winter, but at that time there was a lot of snow in this location. Right now it is so beautiful, and it is the park. You see there is benches for the people, and there is also like a lot of trees, and it is good for the summer season, you see. And it is like too cold place right now. There is a cold wind I am feeling well in this place right now. Let me move my camera and you will see the park again. There is so beautiful place. There are some people who are sitting in the bench, and there are a lot of benches on the path side. So I think you will be like this beautiful scene, and I also like this. So guys, nowadays in Tomsk there is not very, but it's summer vacation is going to start, and the weather is like not too hot, weather is normal, and this is the place that I want to show you. It is one of the beautiful place. It's near to our university, and also it's near to our dormitory, like our Mayak Dormitory. So let me move my camera and I will show you again the whole view of the park. And it's the end of this. You can see it is starting point, and I like walk through all the way. Right now I'm going toward university, but it's good for you that I'm sharing video with you, because it is most beautiful place. So I also had a video during winter vacation, might be on this, but right now it's too beautiful view. So I hope you will enjoy this view. So guys, right now Tomsk is very beautiful, and you are listening outside sound like it is some kind of machine that is like working with stone. I think maybe like excavator, I think, I'm not sure. you are listening the sound, but the view is very beautiful. So everywhere there is greenery, and its temperature right now in Tomsk, temperature is around 30 degrees centigrade plus, not minus. But in winter you will see same temperature but in minus. Right now it is the weather in Tomsk like in Pakistan, Naran, Kavan, like such type of cities. Weather is very normal, and like it is very good thing right now. And when we will have a rain, and it would also become down, temperature will be like 20 degree, and maybe more than less than 20 degree. But normally nowadays temperature is 30 degree plus, so it is very good thing right now. And it's not like huge temperature, it is normal. It is I think if I compare it with other cities in Pakistan, like Mansehra, like Islamabad, it's less than that cities. You know, it is not too hot temperature right now, it is very normal temperature, I think. And here I have to wait for the indicator, and it's started now. So guys, I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. So upcoming view is also very good, like you will see there is greenery everywhere. The one good thing I will tell you here, like there are some girls that you see in a hijab, like they were Muslim, I think so. So there are a lot of people in Tomsk, they are Muslim, they are from like Kazakhstan and some other cities, but they are living in a good manner. You see that they are in proper hijab. So guys, and you also see a lot of other peoples, you can compare with them. So guys, bye bye, have a nice day. I hope you like this video and stay connected with me. You will watch more such type of videos. Bye bye.